Lothal to become world's next big maritime heritage hub. Lothal to become global hub for maritime heritage hub with National Maritime Heritage Complex under the Sagarmala program. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways is developing the NMHC at Lothal in Gujarat. Union Minister Sri Sarvanand Sonowal along with Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya and the Chief Minister of Gujarat Sri Bhupen Patel made a joint review to assess the progress of National Maritime Heritage Complex NMHC at Lothal, Gujarat. Ministers visit INS Nisank Lothal Jetty Walkway and Museum Block. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterway is developing NMHC under the Sagarmala program to showcase India's maritime legacy. The Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways is Sri Sarvanand Sonowal. The complex will have museum, amusement parks, educational institute, hotels and resort. It will also recreate Lothal cities in the complex. National Maritime Heritage Complex. The Union Cabinet has approved this proposal for the development of National Maritime Heritage Complex NMHC at Lothal, Gujarat. Discovery Lothal was discovered by S.R. Rao, an Indian archaeologist, in 1954. Lothal, a prominent city of the ancient Indus Valley civilization dating back to 2400 BC, holds historical significance for its advanced dockyard, thriving trade, and renowned bead making industry. Renowned, renowned bead making industry. Gati Shakti Azadi Amrit Mahotsav, one of the world's largest maritime museum, steering the wheels of maritime prosperity. MOPSW blistering towards development of National Maritime Heritage Complex and MSC Lothal, Gujarat is going to receive the iconic and one of the world's largest maritime museum. About the National Maritime Heritage Complex NMHC, this project will be developed under the Sagarmala program. The project will be completed in phases. Phase 1 will have NMHC Museum, which also includes an Indian Navy and Coast Guard's gallery envisaged to be one of the largest in the country. Replica model of Lothal Township Lighthouse Museum, which is planned to be the world's tallest. Phase 2 will have coastal estates pavilions to be developed by respective coastal estates and union territories hospitality zone with maritime theme, eco resorts, and musotels, recreation of real time Lothal City Maritime Institute and Hotel, and four themed base parks, maritime and naval theme park, climate change theme park, monuments park, and adventure and amusements G park. Cabinet decided this on 9th October 2024. नेशनल मैरीटाइम हेरिटेज कॉम्प्लेक्स लोथल, राष्ट्रीय समुद्रवर्ती विरासत परिसर लोथल, गुजरात. कैबिनेट अप्रूव्स डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दिस in at Lothal, Gujarat. Construction of Lighthouse Museum under Phase 1B at a cost of 266.11 crore will be funded by Directorate General of Lighthouses and Lightships. Project will create 15,000 direct employment and 7,000 indirect employment. NMSC will immensely help locals, communities, tourists and visitors, research and scholars, government bodies, educational institutions, cultural organizations, environment and conservation groups, businesses. About Lothal Dockyard. Lothal is a combination of two words, Loth and Thal, which in Gujarati means the mound of the dead. The mound of the dead. The most distinctive feature of Lothal is a dockyard which is located on the eastern edge of the site. The dock is roughly 200 meters long and about 35 meters wide to minimize siltation and ensure accessibility during high tides. The dock was strategically positioned away from the river's main current. A sluice gate and a spill channel maintained a consistent water level in dockyard. Lothal's location was perfectly suited for a dock as the Gulf of combats high tidal amplitude and the river estuaries flow tides created favorable condition for ship movement. Architecture Lothar was divided into two parts: the citadel or upper town and the lower town. Citadel instead of traditional fortification wall, the citadel was surrounded by 4 meter tall mud brick platform, a warehouse, and also discovered inside the citadel. Lower town, a bead factory and tidal dockyard were discovered. A compass and an ivory scale were discovered at Lothal. Religion: the people of Lothal worship a fire god speculated to be the horned deity depicted on seals named Athar or Arka. Burial practice at Lothal: the burial pit was lined with burnt bricks indicating the use of coffins. Twin burial: the practice of fourth burial is found at Lothal sometimes with a pairs of skeletons. However, there is no clear evidence for the practice of sati. Beads: double-eyed beads of agate, gold-capped beads of jasper, and carnelian beads are among those attributed are as uniquely from Lothal. It was very famous for micro-cylindrical beads of the statite colorite. Lothal, a key Harappan port situated about 30 kilometers inland from the Gulf of Kambat in Gujarat, India, has been at the center of long-standing archaeological debate. Lothal has intrigued researchers for its potential role as a major trading hub in Harappan civilization during the Bronze Age. Circa 2600 to 1900 BC, Lothal is known for its well-preserved brick structure, including a large trapezoidal basin believed by some to be a dockyard. The Harappan civilization, also called the Indus civilization, was one of the earliest advanced societies on par with the Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamian civilization. This is all about a new